Hi everyone, welcome back to my cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today it is time to make a witty comeback. This one was created by Dan Saltzstein, who is an editor, author, writer. He's a writer at Bon Appetit online magazine. Do they have a magazine? They have an online magazine. And he's one of the authors there, and he went into PDT, the bar, and then basically did a class of some description with Jim Meehan, or he might have been writing an article. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. But he worked with Jim Meehan to make his own house cocktail. So when he's entertaining guests, he can make this cocktail as his go-to. It's his creation. But he worked with Jim Meehan to tweak it, and they did multiple iterations to result in this particular drink. So they tried different ratios of the rye, the Averna, the ginger syrup, tried it with different methods and different over ice, straight up, with different twists, orange, lemon, grapefruit. And this is the result of their refinements. So I'm keen. From what I remember, he particularly wanted to use Averna, so it's kind of based around that. But nice, easy format to remember. Calls for 60 ml, 2 ounces of rye. I'm using yellow rose rye, which is has a mash bill of 95% rye, 5% barley, I think. And then 15 ml, half an ounce of Averna Amaro. Good kind of like entry level Amaro. And then ginger syrup, 15 ml, half an ounce. Sorry, when I say good entry level Amaro, I mean it's like a good introduction to Amaro. Not necessarily like, didn't mean price point, I meant to introduce someone to Amaro for the first time. It's not overly bitter, and it's got some really nice flavors to it. Then we have lemon juice, 15 ml, half an ounce. Yeah, sometimes on the channel I find I rewatch the edits after the fact, and I really don't explain myself very well or structure my sentences perfectly. So usually make sure you check the first comment, check the description, check the first comment, and if I've made any mistakes or if I need to clarify anything, I usually make it there. I usually do it there. And shake for 12 to 15 seconds. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure this particular recipe called for a brief shake. Not aggressive, like I just did. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. And garnish with a twist of orange. There you have a witty comeback. Cheers. Almost get like a maple kind of note to it. Ooh. Nice. So I tried the yellow rose rye straight beforehand, and I get kind of a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of pepper, and this kind of fresh kind of mintiness almost. And you get this subtle bitterness from the Averna, but it's good. It's like adds this raisin-like characteristics, this complex character without being overwhelmingly bitter. Probably could have added a little bit more ginger in my ginger syrup just to make it a little bit more spicy. But this is like, as a house cocktail, making this at home for guests, this would be perfect. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.